Everybody, this is Marta here on YouTube. Today is a very different kind of day, very different kind of video. So you guys can tell I'm wearing no makeup. I'm pretty much fresh out of the shower. And today we're going to be doing a recipe video. So I'm filming this intro on my phone, but the rest will be on a professional camera. But today we are making tea recipes. So we got matcha tea, we got pumpkin spice tea, and we got golden milk. So if you guys want to learn how I make those teas for myself, then keep on watching. Okay, so we are starting off with some boiling water. The temperature should range between 90 and 100 degrees, so just keep that in mind. You're also going to need virgin coconut oil, your sweetener, your preferred sweetener. I prefer agave, and your preferred milk. And I prefer to do a combination between almond and coconut milk, or just one of them or both of them together. It really depends. So the first one is the matcha latte, and you're gonna need matcha powder, which is really the key ingredient. You're also gonna need this bowl and this whisk. This is the matcha powder that I buy. Guys, keep in mind that I'm in Costa Rica, so this is where I buy it. So this is one of my things. I add the agave to some water, or some water to my agave, so it melts and doesn't stay at the bottom of my cup. And I'm gonna dissolve the matcha as you're seeing here right now. This is what it does. The whisk dissolves the matcha, and you can totally just add this to the cup, mix it up, add some milk, and that's done. But I prefer to do it this way with the NutriBullet. I don't know why. I just like it, the fluff it gives. So I'm adding the agave water. I'm also adding the matcha water. I'm gonna add some coconut oil, and then I'm just gonna add the milk and blend it up, and that's pretty much the matcha latte done. By the end of it, when I serve it up in my mug, the only thing I add is a little bit of pumpkin spice on top. I do this just to be fancy, honestly, and because I like the flavor of both of them combined. But you can also add cinnamon or vanilla, it depends on you guys. So for the second one, we have pumpkin spice tea. So we have pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, ginger, your tea bag, black tea bag. So first off, I was rushed doing this, but normally I use in my little cup that I'm gonna be drinking from, in my little mug, I have the bag of black tea and a little bit of water, kind of not dissolving, but you know what I mean. Just let them breathe for a second. In here, I add the pumpkin puree, the coconut oil, the agave. I add the ginger, the pumpkin spice, and I think those are the ingredients I normally use. I'm not really sure now. And I just let it sit. In here I was rushed because I had to go somewhere. So I just added the tea bag in there, let it sit for a while, and just made my breakfast. And it came out perfectly as well, so it depends on you. And I also added the milk. Now I'm blending it up. I serve it in my mug, and then I add a little bit more of pumpkin spice on top, because you guys know I am obsessed with pumpkin spice, and if you didn't know, well, now you do. So I also put the bag, I leave the bag in the mug just in case I want it more strong, but it really depends on you. So now for the golden milk or turmeric latte. So you're gonna need turmeric paste. If you guys don't know what turmeric paste is, that one that I just put in the cup, basically is turmeric, coconut oil, and pepper. So pepper helps the turmeric be absorbed into your body. In here, I'm just adding all the spices. So I use ginger, cardamom, allspice, cinnamon, vanilla, and I think those are it. I add the milk, I add the coconut oil and the agave, of course, and that's how it comes out. And I add a little bit of cinnamon on top. I prefer this one with cinnamon on top and not pumpkin spice, but it really depends on you guys. Hey, you guys, basically that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had really a lot of fun filming it. I want to do something else with recipes and stuff like that. So if you guys have any suggestions on recipes or teas or whatever it is you guys want me to try, please leave it down below and I will make sure I will do it. But yeah, that is it for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it really supports me, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.